Good morning. I am Skandar Bhati.
And I am Kamlesh Kumar.
We are from team MG1082 and we have taken part in Magneto at IIT Bombay this year. And here's this video is about the progress of our bot and our Kamlesh will explain you the electronic part and I will explain the mechanical part. So here he goes.
And now I will tell you how this pod will work. I have used this Atmega 8 microcontroller. This is our receiver circuit, and from this I have connected this motor driver L293D, which will be connected to this motor, and I have used this decoder IC ST12D, and I have used RF module. Here I will use dip switch, which will be connected with encoder and decoder also. This is our transmitter circuit, and in this also I have used Atmega 8 microcontroller, and this is our ST12E encoder IC. From here I will our accelerometer will be connected and we will control our board. This is transmitter circuit. Uh, this will be a connect. So
Hand gesture.
this is our hand gesture, and we will control our bot from here. And now we will show you our ADC programming.
With
Pause कर रहा है, एक second, pause.
3.
Now, as we told you how what are the electronic parts, and now we'll continue to see how the programming and how these parts work. As you can see, we have done programming in AVR Studio, and we have programmed it to calibrate our from here. As you can see, this display, this display works. This display shows the values of accelerometer which we have set in our program, so that as we move our as you can see, as we move our accelerometer to the left, the the values change. As we move our accelerometer to the right, the values have changed. As we move our accelerometer to the front, the values have changed. From these gestures, as we'll push this accelerometer in our hand, as we move our hand forward, our motors will move forward, and as we move our hands backward, as you can see, now we've started the motors. And to for the working of the motors, we have shown. Now as you can see, this accelerometer, it's in the neutral position and all the motors are working. Now when I turn the accelerometer to the left, the only the left of the wheels are moving, so the board will turn left. As I turn the board to the forward and backward, all the motors start working and it will come back to its normal position. So we have calibrated our accelerometer using the LED and the programming, and we have accordingly controlled our motors. So this was the functioning of the motors. Now as you can see in our chases, these are the motors which will help use our flaps, which will help play the pinball. These motor, as you can see in these holes, we'll fit our motors here and here and attach wooden blocks to them, and those wooden blocks would allow the ball to go back into the arena. And this is our total progress, what we've progressed till now, and hope we'll win in the IIT Bombay Fest. Thank you.